Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name's Ron. Welcome to my channel. The other day I posted a video for the new RAM mount that I use with my Garmin Oregon GPS. And my friend Arizona Kid, check out his channel, link in the description and annotations somewhere on the screen above. Anyway, he produced a video with some discussion on this mount and his concerns with it. Specifically, in the event of a rollover, he felt that the cradle that like my GPS used to use and what he currently uses for his, I believe he has a GPS map unit, but in any case, that those cradles would be superior protection in the event of a rollover. And I think it's a valid point, but here's why I'm not worried about it. So in the UTV, it kind of speaks for itself, right? The UTV, obviously I have a cage. I mount my GPS down here, if you can see it, on the steering column. So if my GPS gets smashed there, I've probably got some bigger problems, am I right? So, but in any case, what he was talking about more importantly is on his ATV. And this, like you say, is actually a pretty valid point. You got to think about these things. So on my ATV, the way I have this set up, I use a shorty for my Garmin, the connector between the balls on the connection between the actual physical handlebar mount and the GPS. So, and then I try and keep my GPS as low as I can. It's usually about the same height, maybe slightly higher than my pod. But here's the thing, and this is something that I've learned from years of limit testing, whether it's on my green ATV in the garage here, that thing got rolled a few times, or on my motorcycles. Which things happen on two wheels. But in any case, so here's what I learned, and I'll share with you all. So the thing is, when you set these mounts up, you want it to, obviously you want it to handle vibrations, juts, stutters, and those sorts of things. But when you put these mounts on, and I'm talking about on your handlebars, the U-bolt and the nuts that hold the actual mount to the bars, right? So here's what happens if, say, a limb or a rollover or something impacts my machine up in the handlebar area. Everything moves. So, you know, like I say, I can reset it, and you know, everything moves around a little bit. I don't put anything so tight that it can't move in an impact. And this is something you hear and see people who have motorcycles that they'll do with like their hand controls. So get them tight, just not too tight. So that's the reason why I'm not worried about busting up my GPS in the event I have a rollover or a tree branch slaps it or anything like that. And no, again, those are valid claims, right? Those are things that if you have everything cranked up to 11, super tight, you're going to run into that problem. So anyway, that's all I wanted to make a follow-up video for, was to discuss it, because you know, it's something I do, but I never really thought about suggesting to others, you know. So anyway, if you have any questions, comments, you know where to hit me up in the comments section below. Again, go visit my friend Arizona Kid. It's good channel. That's our video today. Hope you have a good weekend. Bye.